Now, installation is also straightforward if you're replacing an existing toilet. Since it's a smart toilet though, it does have a plug, so you'll need a nearby electrical outlet along with your standard water connection. Now let's talk about the feature most people are probably curious about, and that is the built-in bidet. Before this review, I never actually used one before, so this was a completely new experience for me, and the T38P offers a rear wash, feminine wash, an oscillating wash, adjustable water pressure and temperature, and adjustable nozzle positioning, so you can customize the experience however you like. Another thing I really like is that the bidet uses its own fresh water supply that's completely separate from the toilet's flushing system. That means that water used for cleaning is always fresh water. The nozzle also automatically rinses itself before and after every use, and it includes UV sterilization to keep everything clean. Now, what really changed my perspective is realizing that a bidet isn't just about comfort. For someone recovering from surgery or dealing with arthritis, back pain, or any type of reduced mobility, having the ability to clean yourself with less physical effort could make everyday life easier.